Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I am going to explain the poem Self-Portrait by A.K. Ramanujan. I think before going direct to the poem, I want to give you some basic information regarding the poem because it is very important to know about the poets before going to their works. So let's start. About point basic information. A.K. Ramanujan born in Mysore in March 16, 1929 and died on July 13, 1993 at Chicago, Illinois, United States. Was educated at the Maharajas College, Mysore, Deccan College, Pune and at the Indiana University. Ramanujan wrote both in English and Kannada. He was given the prestigious Padma Shri Award in 1976. So now I am going to analyze the poem. The poem Self-Portrait is a one sentence poem. The poem represents the loss of identity in this modern world. So let's start. Self-Portrait. I remember everyone but myself and sometimes see in shop windows despite the well-known laws of optics. The portrait of a stranger, date unknown, often signed in a corner by my father. Here, the poem Self-Portrait by A.K. Ramanujan depicts the struggle of modern men for identity. The modern world is that of materialism and capitalism. Hence, in the quest of all the material things, the man forgets to be himself. In self-portrait, the person or the protagonist has lost his identity and speaks of his helpless position in this respect. He says ironically that he resembles everyone except himself. The speaker here appears as a representative of modern man who has lost his anchorage. The loss of his roots is reflected in the distorted reflection of himself in the mirror. The mirror, instead of reflecting the speaker's image, despite the well known laws of optics, reflect the portrait of a stranger, signed in the corner by the speaker's father. The irony is that the very present preservation in his memory of his father's image makes the speaker uneasy. The loss of traditional values in the son, metaphorically represented by the distortion of the reflection in the mirror. The signature of his father is a reminder to him that the traditional values cannot be easily and entirely forsaken. The identification of the self is important because it lends the self the freedom to share different identities and attitudes, each of them real in feeling and impetuous in apprehension. The shop windows defy the laws of optics to reveal a stranger face when the poet looks at his reflection. So, this was the analysis of the poem Self-Portrait by A.K. Ramanujan. Hope you like it. Thank you.